And welcome to this week's 2-minute art hack. What have we got for you today? It's all about cleaning those old oil brushes that you've kind of accidentally left or lost, and they've gone a little bit, well, rock hard, to be perfectly honest. So how do you rescue a brush like this? Come with me and I will show you.
So what I'm using here is linseed oil, which I've poured a little bit into the cap lid there. And I'm just using that to dip the brush in to try and loosen up, basically massaging and moisturizing those bristles, just to loosen up that oil paint. I'm wiping the excess oil off, and then I'm going to dip it in my solvents. Now I have speeded this video up, otherwise it will be a lot more than 2 minutes. Like I say, you don't need to use solvents. You can use dish soap. Anything that will break down the oil is going to be great. And this is Master's brush cleaner. This stuff is awesome sauce. It's brilliant for really getting that oil paint off your brush, and I'm working it there right into the base of those bristles. And I'm doing that because this is an exceptionally old brush. It was absolutely rock solid. I know that it is never going to get to its pristine level that it used to be. I've also got some hot water there, which I'm just taking that excess soap off with. But what this brush will be good for is for effects like trees, like sky, clouds, etc. And it's a fabulous way to reuse old brushes. You can learn more on my workshops and in the Smart Art Academy. So do please subscribe. The things will be popping up on the screen. You know what to do, and it will be fabulous to see you in a workshop soon. Bye.